A non-commissioned distaff police officer and her son were set up by her godchildren in marriage for a cold-blooded whack job over $500,000 pesos in cash and proceeds of a sale of a minivan worth $450,000. And nearly all the suspects who had a hand in murder of this policewoman and her son are in police custody, says the local government chief in his declaration of the case's closed status. Our Ryan Lisigas fills us in with more details on the slay.
Authorities believe that a dispute over money is the motive behind the killing of the mother and son, Police Senior Master Sergeant Dayan Molinino, and their son, John Ismael. According to QCPD Director, Police Colonel Randy Glenn Silvio, the killing of the mother and son was carefully planned over a long period of time. The alleged masterminds of the crime are the spouses Pia and Christian Panganiban, who were godchildren at the victim's wedding.
Naikwento doon ni Maribel na 15 pa lang parang meron ng mga biniling mga garbage bag at kinobera na yung supa. Ibig sabihin, parang nagpaplano na sila.
On January 16, the mother and son were reported missing to the Quezon City Police District. They allegedly told their family that they were going to sell their Innova vehicle in Novaliches for 450,000 pesos. On January 19, the police officer and their son were officially declared missing. On January 24, the body of Molinino was found in a creek along Pulilan Bypass Road in Bulacan.
Pinatay si Dayan Marie Molinino sa pamamagitan ng gunshot wound na pumasok dito sa ulo at lumabas habang siya nakaupo at lumabas po sa kanyang pigi. Ang kanyang anak po na si John Ismael ay ginapos ang ulo ng plastic bag at namatay dahil sa pananakal.
Meanwhile, the body of her son was found on January 29 in Victoria, Tarlac.
Mahirap po sa paniwalaan kung paano nangyari ito. Pero pagkatapos mangyari, isinakay po sa kotse ang dalawang katawan kasama ang anak ni Pia Panginiban at Christian Suarez Panginiban at Hill Valdemoro. Kasama nila yung mga anak nila sa kotse habang yung labi ni Dayan Molinino at kanyang anak ay nasa likod na nakabalot.
Based on initial investigation, the mother and son were killed due to the suspect's interest in money amounting to 1 million pesos. This amount came from a 550,000 peso down payment and the 450,000 peso proceeds from the sale of the Innova.
Nabenta yung 450, ibibigay yung bayad sa
Montero.
Diba? Para makumpleto yung 1.1 million na order nila Montero. Wala naman talaga yung Montero na darating. Kasi wala namang order.
The DILG and the PNP are convinced that the spouses were the brains behind the crime.
Merong psychopathic criminal tendencies talaga kasi walang konsensya. Paano mo madadali yung anak mo sa participation of the crime? Diba? Anong klaseng utak ka na meron? Anong klaseng puso ka na meron? Na pati anak mo, sasama mo sa disposal and sa prosecution of the crime. Doon kami nagulat lahat eh. Pati anak kasama.
Aside from the suspected spouses, the PNP also has two other accomplices in custody, Maribel and their associate Hill Valdemoro. With all suspects accounted for, the DILG said the case is now closed. Cases are also expected to be filed against them. Meanwhile, the husband and father of the victims, Police Senior Master Sergeant John Molinino, remains a person of interest. Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.